Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the panel so the sticker will bond and sit flat. First, wipe the area with isopropyl alcohol until no residue remains. This removes oils that prevent adhesion. Once dry, scrape old decals and adhesive carefully and finish with an adhesive remover if needed. Next, position the sticker and secure with low-tack tape as a hinge. This lets you check alignment without committing. Make sure seams and rivet areas are visible, so you can adjust before you peel the backing. You now apply the sticker using a staged peel to control placement and prevent traps. Peel about 1/3 of the backing and hinge the decal. Press the exposed area down and check alignment. Once aligned, slowly pull the backing while smoothing with a soft squeegee at a 45-degree angle, working outward to push air and moisture away. When wrapping around curves or near bolts, heat the vinyl gently with a heat gun to make it flexible and conform without stretching the graphic. You finish by trimming and sealing to ensure longevity and a factory look. Carefully trim any overhang with a fresh blade. Avoid digging into painted surfaces. Then heat the edges and press firmly to set the adhesive. This seals against dirt and water. Make sure the bike rests for 24 to 48 hours to let the glue cure. If bubbles appear, prick the smallest ones with a fine needle, press the air out, and reheat. Larger problems may require lifting and reapplying that section to realign.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.